How to fix Messenger called black screen error. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and to this video we will learn how we can fix if you're facing a black screen during Messenger video or audio call. So don't worry, this video will walk you through the easy fixes that actually work. So let's dive right in. The first step is to restart your phone. First, try to restart your phone. A simple reboot can fix temporary glitches with your camera or application background process. Press your power button, restart your phone, and check if your problem helped you or not. If not, make sure that the application is up to date. So for that, go to the Play Store and then search for Messenger. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner and then search for Messenger, and make sure that you're using the latest version, because old versions often cause camera and call issues. So if you see update button, simply update the application. If this still does not work, then check for the permissions. For that, navigate to the application in your mobile device, tap and hold on it, tap on app info. Once you're here, tap on permissions and make sure that you have allowed permissions to camera, microphone and phone. Scroll through it and make sure that you have allowed all of the required permissions. If not, tap on it and then allow the permission. After that, go back and check whether your problem is solved or not. If still not, head over to the same app info page by repeating the same steps, then tap on storage and cache, and here tap on clear cache. After that, you can refresh your application and go back and check whether that fixes your problem or not. If not, then check your internet connection. Make sure that your connection is stable. You can try to switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa, and also try to reinstall the Messenger if that still does not help. Uninstall the application completely, reinstall it back from the Play Store, and then log in back. This will give a full refresh for all of the application settings and will help you fix any corrupted installations. So these are some of the ways that will help you fix if you have black screen on Messenger calls. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.